I want to put the punchline at the bottom, so I want to copy this font and use it again down here. Here's a shortcut to duplicating a layer. Command J. Command J duplicates. You'll notice the new layer that's been made from this layer. Get the Move tool and move it down to the bottom. Get the Type tool, click inside the text, delete My Neighbors, and delete Listen to Justin Bieber. Get the Move tool and move this to the bottom. My neighbors used to listen to Justin Bieber. Used to. The initial image showed a girl with a half smile looking behind her with a house on fire in front of her. She already looks mischievous, but with the added text, it takes it over the top and changes the theme. With the added text, it seems to us that she's the one that started the fire. Without the text, it looks like she's just happy that there's a fire. This lesson will continue in the next video.